In this lecture, I'd like to say a few things that I believe will help you get in the right state of mind so that the time that you spend on this course is both effective and enjoyable. Learning anything worthwhile takes time. Plan for your learning and set time aside for this specific activity in your busy schedule. Without dedicated time, you'll feel that you have to rush your way through the lectures, making the experience stressful. Learning under stress is not an effective way to learn. On the contrary, without planning to learn, you will not learn. Be in control of your learning through planning. I suggest that you plan to complete whole sections in one sitting. For most sections, you'll be able to comfortably complete them within 1 hour. Of course, if you have more time, consider scheduling enough time to complete more than one section. I find that I learn best when I dedicate big uninterrupted blocks of time to a project. And I believe that this is true for most people. Big uninterrupted blocks of time also reduce the overall duration of the project because they allow you to reduce the time needed to change your mental context from whatever you happen to be doing prior to working to the project back to the context of the project. So it goes without saying, but I'll say it anyway. Plan well to learn well. Each lecture has one or no more than 2 learning outcomes and an equal number of practical outcomes. Do not proceed to the next lecture until you have succeeded in both understanding the learning outcomes of the lecture and achieving the practical outcomes of the lecture. If you proceed without completing the learning and practical outcomes of a lecture, you'll hit an obstacle later and you'll have to come back and try again. Of course, it's okay to peek ahead, but be mindful that previous lectures will need to be completed first. Okay, that's it with the introductory lectures. It's now time to roll up your sleeves and start learning. Are you ready? Please continue with the next section and lecture when you are.